Alright, so you can tell by that we're at the Fredricksburg Nature Center. And right here, I'll tell you about it. If you want to pause that and read it, show you some nice pictures here. They got a nice field of bluebonnets there. And you can see over here over 250 species of wildflowers identified along the nature trails. And you can see some of them here. Again, you can pause all that and read these names if you want. Like so. It's trail etiquette. Poison snakes are not commonly found, which is good. Then here's the birds, 177 of them. They can be found here. And you can read all about these guys. They have the pollinator garden. You can see that, so you can read about it there. Like so. There you go. And then on this side, you can see they've got a little nature trail map right there. And then they got all this stuff here. And you are here at the trailhead right there. So we can go all along this thing. Park headquarters. So I guess one is down that way somewhere, it looks like. But anyway, that's the start of it. So we'll get on it and see what we can find for you. Alright, so here's a sign of the real start of the trail that we're starting. It's rules and everything. And this is the spillway. Down here, down all these steps. How y'all doing?
Howdy.
Okay, and then it's got left and right. NT for Nature Trail. But yeah, so we just want to go this way and follow this. There's a bunch of sludge in there. Hopefully you hear the pretty birds, because we like the pretty birds. Whoa, cardinal! Right there. He just flew right out of here, right into the river, right across the creek, whatever it is. And here we go through the woods. Park boundary, private property beyond this point is what that sign right there on that fence says. So we just have to follow this around. Much cooler in here. Feels good. So we like that. But I'll go ahead and shut this off, and run across anything else, I'll show that to you. Alright, so we're coming along here. You can see we got these steps leading us down by the river. You see how wide that is out there, by the way. I guess I should show that to you. We've got these little rickety stairs here. Just gotta be careful about going down. Now, so it is confusing. I mean, it does show a trail down through there, and this shows steps here. So that's just a little side step. Back there, those other steps I just showed you. And in fact, right here, yeah, this is number 6 right here. So I'm sure it's talking about rocks and things like that. So we're moving along by the numbers. 5 was up at the top. But here we are now down by the water. Looks pretty deep, actually. Kind of dark. So, big hole right there. Oh, yeah, then I see more steps going up down here. So we'll be going up a little bit off the river, but this is it. That's part of the park over there. There's a Look, check that out, a biplane. Now you don't see that every day. An old biplane. See, we're right next to an airport, actually. A little small regional municipal airport. So there's little planes taking off and landing all the time. But that was the first bi-wing I've seen, so that was pretty cool. Somebody's lost a ball in the muck over there. There's a log with turtles out there in the water. Probably can't see them with this GoPro, but one just dived off, but right out there they are, if you can see them. So there seems to be quite a few turtles in this water. And here, got some steps. And then back down again. Okay, and then right back up again. So boy, they're working this. Oh, there we go. So that's the way this part's going. So I'll go ahead and close this off, and then next thing we see, I'll record that. All right, so here we've actually run across the dam. Thought you'd want to see that. This is the actual dam itself, and of course water coming over there, running on down the spillway, the little tiny waterfall there. But get you a little bit better look at this. As you can see, it's quite loud, quite green and mossy too. And as you can hear, quite loud. But there's the water running off right there and going on down and feeding the rest of this. So pretty cool. We like it. We like it a lot. All right, let's continue on our journey. All right, so we're on the other side. And right here, so we'll look here. We showed that right over there if you remember. All kinds of green moss and rocks that are down in water covered with moss, and that goes on out through there. See how rocky it is in this area, and this is what we walk through right there to get here. Then the trail takes off this way with the prickly pear. So let's roll through here, see what we can see. Was it? Okay. So I'm just told we just passed number 9. So like I said, that starts the second half of this whole double loop thing. So we're on the short version now, so this will be easy to cover. So not sure what else there'll be to show you, but whatever there is, I'll definitely show it to you. So stay with me. Okay, so we just thought we'd show you a little bit of this area that we're walking through. You see how it's changed very quickly from the whole rock outcropping that I showed you to this nice little path and these thick trees, all this shade. It's pretty warm day. It's mid-80s today, so it feels pretty good out here walking through the shade. And over to my right, I got a fence right there, so that's private property. But it's just a nice little stroll through here. We're coming up something that looks like a bird sanctuary over there, like a bird blind. So stay with me here for a minute and let's see if that's what this is. Yeah, it looks like we've got us a little bird viewing area. You got bar stools in here for you to sit on. Check this out. They're asking for donations for bird food. Awesome. Here, show this to you a little bit.
There's a car cardinal in that one. This little
Oh, yeah.
house.
There he is. He's on the ground. Okay, so this was a nice little surprise. We'll spend a minute or two here, and then we'll move on. And I'm sure we're basically at the end already, but you know, if not, then this will wind up in the video. Be a good place to stop it anyway. Enjoy the sounds of the birds for just a second.